How are you? Hope you are doing well and enjoying good health. Welcome back to the channel Techno Saima Siraj. So guys, in this video we will learn how to buy a clock from Daraz. So in this video we will learn how to buy a clock from Daraz. So first of all guys, download the application Daraz from Play Store, App Store, Google or from desktop. So guys, after that open the application and search here, sorry, search here clock. So we are going to buy a clock for house, office or anything else. So then search here clock. There are a lot of clocks are shown, as you know. Let's check the one by one. First of all, we are going to check number one product. The price of this item is 190 rupees. It's Ramzan sale. The original price is 1850 rupees. Evento wall clock 3D, wooden watch, die, design, decoration, quartz doors for home. So the review about the product is overall good, 4.5 rating star out of. Let's check the review. I loved it. The quality was so good, same as the picture. मशीन इश्यूज कम नहीं कर रही होती, निकले पार्सल वाले की गलती या अरे से ऐसे होगी। छः काश ये मुझे दो पार्सल की डबल पेमेंट हुई। So overall the review about the service is good. And how to buy, click the buy now button, click the select the quantity, how much you want, one two quantity, click the buy now button and add your address and select the payment method to place order it easily. Before place order you have to sign in with your Google account or register your account on the Daraz application. So let's check the other one products. There are a lot of products are available. Ramzan wooden clock are available also. Ramzan wooden wall clock 3D laser cut wall clock with stars and lamps. The review about the service is overall very good, 4.6 rating star, and the price of this item is only 300. It's too good. You can also buy this one item from Daraz. The review about the service is very good. Same products, same as shown in picture. I'm very happy to get it. You can see guys, good item. You can also buy it. There are a lot of clocks are also available on the Play Store. You can buy it easily. So hope you like the video guys. Like the video, subscribe the channel Techno Saima. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.